The plan is in 3 phases. The first phase is building the coalition, which we did very successfully. We have a coalition agreement. I think it's a first in the industry. It has never happened before. Fortunately, we are being funded by BAF. And through those resources, we were able to hire an expert, Professor Omenya, to give us a way forward, to do research, to understand really what we want, what is ailing us, how do we go, what are the best practices in the world. And then, based on that, we developed a policy position paper, which we have come to validate today.
If you want to go fast, you go alone, but if you want to go far, you go together. So it's a journey that we've started. We're hand-holding and saying one step at a time, but we know what our end goal is. We know where we want to get to. And I don't think it has been, if you look at it in terms of the whole exercise, I think we've done and delivered in a pretty short time, Prof. You have done well in terms of the amount of time. The intensity of the whole operation has been quite interesting. We've been here twice, sometimes in a month, on Tuesday mornings at 7 a.m. having conversations, and it's been an interesting journey. So thank you so much for all the associations here.
Who are the built environment professions? And you've seen the report. We've looked at various jurisdictions and said these are, as far as we are concerned, all the built environment professions. They are all reflected there. But definitely, I mean, then the question comes whether there is need to regulate them or not. There are areas of professional work that need not be regulated as entire professions. They just need to be recognized and expanded as normal professional services that are offered sometimes within existing professional frameworks. It is very clear that the work has to go, otherwise our work is in vain. And we need mechanisms of reporting, mechanisms of removing, mechanism of exterminating these guys. Doomed. It is too early in our present situation to let the market determine the fees. Because we're saying even where that has been left to the market in Europe, they're still going back to the fees that was being charged when it was still in law, when it was still regulated.
Suggestion was that yes, the general feeling in your finding was that we allow other people to come and practice in our jurisdiction, but my suggestion is also conditional that we also practice in the jurisdiction. Thank you.
It's very good that the presentation of the has fees at the very end, but we did, as professionals, able to demonstrate what value we will give to encourage growth in the country.
The second challenge we have is, I don't think we have any member of parliament here. Whatever you do here, regardless, and this is personal history, we went to talk to ministers, we went to MPs, one guy can kill your bill. To get this thing up running, not only must we agree as professionals, we must engage the guys who write the laws.
As we talk policy, let's see, profit for professionals, and you commented very well that we're inward looking versus public good. But thank you very much for a very thought-provoking presentation.